Hello guys, let's go on with the tutorial. It's the second part. We are going to make the base. Make a magic ring first. Chain 2, we will take it at one stitch. Next, make 12 half double crochet into the ring. Yarn over into the ring, pull yarn. Next, yarn over, pull yarn through the 3 loops together. That's 1 half double crochet. Mark on the first stitch. One time more the second. Make another 11 half double crochet in the same way. Here we got 13 stitches. Close the ring. Slip into the first stitch. It's the last stitch of the first round. Mark it with a clipper. Count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now we are going to make the 6 petals. Five chains first. Back to the second. Make 1 short crochet. Next, 1 half double crochet. Next, 1 half double crochet 2. The last one is double crochet. Yarn over, insert, pull yarn. Yarn over, pull yarn through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull yarn through 2 loops. That's double crochet. Skip the second stitch, slip into the third stitch. Insert, pull yarn, pull yarn. We get 1 petal now. Chain 5 to make the second petal. One time more showing how to make the petal. We already got 2 petals. Now repeat in the same row to make another 4 petals. Remember to leave a long tail for sewing. Now the last part. Chain 25. Make a note. Sew the base on the strawberry with a nail. It's very easy. Now we got the lovely strawberry. Thanks for your accompanying, my dear friend. See you soon.